Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set a desktop site in your Chrome, how to enable it in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, so let's start friends. First you have to open Chrome, then you have to just scroll down. You will see here it is. Click on three dots, click on settings, scroll down, click on site settings, scroll down. You will see desktop site. You can enable it from here. Now press back, click on this, and you can see the website is in uh, desktop site view. If you want to convert it into a mobile view, just disable desktop view from here and it will be in mobile view like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.